Our plant juice is our original formula of our fertilizer. And so this is made for leafy plants, for root growth, for seedling starting. Really, really excellent in all those areas. It's got macronutrients, micronutrients. It's got microbes, over 250 species of bacteria and fungi that all have different important functionalities. It also has beneficial non-plant food ingredients. And if you see here, it's got a really low NPK. And so when people are asking me, I need a 10-10-10 fertilizer. Well, we have a very different mechanism for how our fertilizer actually works. And that is the secret sauce to our alternative fertilizer. So these NPK numbers become less important. We have to have them because we are regulated as a fertilizer in all 50 states. And then this fertilizer numbers are important because it does say that we have nutrients in our products. But what makes us so effective is our microbes. So we pre-feed our microbes a blend of macronutrients and micronutrients from all natural sources. They have a chance to break them down and store them in their bodies and get them ready for you to use. So this is very fast acting. For most plants, you'll see results very quickly. There are some slow growing plants out there like peace lilies that do grow a lot slower. You might not see results right away, and just bear with us. They do work for all of those plants too. It just may take your plants a little bit of time to grow. And we've truly seen some miracles with this. This has been used with the championship roses. This has also been used with the championship pumpkin. It's been used in all sorts of farmland all over the country, and it will work for your plants too.